Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Phyllis, and here on my channel I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill, thrift hauls, and more. And if this is your first time stopping by, thank you, and please consider subscribing. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Okay, everyone, here is I'm in my daughter's kitchen. The floor that I did, I think it was in 2019, 2 years ago. Today is New Year's, January 1st of 2022. So this is going up, let's see, we did this, I think, in the summer of 2019. So about almost 2 years, and this is holding up very, very well. I wanted to do a review on this because I just got a few questions from some viewers just asking about how it's holding up. We love that it is holding up very, very well. Our only issue is that when you sweep the floor, and you probably can't see it unless I get real close, like there's a little speck, and it may sound petty, but it is aggravating. But like this here, I'm going to put the broom there. It's just little flecks, and it's just dust or whatever it is when you go to sweeping. Because of the gloss on the tiles, some things stick to the floor. So sweeping it doesn't come up, so I just got to take my finger and just scratch it in the sweeping. Well, that's aggravating. So let me get a broom, and I'm going to sweep the broom across it. Okay, so for instance, here's a little speck there. Well, I'm going to take the broom and see, it doesn't move. It's like really, really aggravating. Let's see, here's some more specks, but it doesn't move. But when I take my finger, let me put the broom down here really quick. Okay, all right. So let's see here. When I take my finger and scratch it, then it comes up. That is aggravating. So unless you don't mind doing this, I mean, not even the mop. So I'm just scratching up, and this is not paint. It's just, I don't know what it is. But when we go to sweep it, I gotta scratch all the little stuff up. And I'm not crazy about bending down every time I sweep the floor. So like I said, this is holding up really good. As far as the wear and tear, I guess the walking on it, just using a regular mop. So this is all over. Like I said, it's not paint, it's just dust over time. And then that's the broom, I'm sorry. Then we just got to take the broom, and still some of it's, I mean, it's sweeping, moving, but some of it still won't come up. Like, that's aggravating. That's the only issue. Nothing, no tiles are pulling up. Everything is still laying down up against the wall. Now here, we didn't do the best around the refrigerator. That's us. The tile didn't pull. I didn't lay really my best there and here. But it's not pulling up or anything. I'm trying to get up on the cabinets so you can see. So it's holding up very well. It's just the lint and stuff like that that just flies, I guess, over time. and settles on top of the gloss, and you have to scratch it up with your finger. Even the mopping, that, I don't know, because all you need is water. You don't need any kind of, I think it even recommends not using any wax, because it already has the you can see the glossy nail from the light shining. It already has the overlay, so you just need regular soap and warm water to mop the floor. But far as the durability of it, it's excellent. It's just that when sweeping, you gotta scratch some of the stuff up and sweep it up into the broom. So that's just a review of how the floor is holding up. I'm going to do another review of the bathroom floor that I did when I did the shower and a vanity at my other daughter's house. I'm here for the holidays, so I figure while I'm here I can do reviews, because I don't live here. I live in Atlanta, Georgia. So while I'm here, I'll go to my other daughter's house and do a review on the floor. I did the review on the shower surround, and that's fine. I even did an 8-month review, and then I did a chat and a live chat review where I took questions about it. So I'll do a review of the floor, and while I'm there, I'll show you all the bathroom, because into this year, which is again 2022, January the 1st, June will be 2 years for that contact vapor being up, as well as the floor. So look for that video to be uploaded following Friday. I will upload the review for the marble floor, peel and stick flooring that I did in the bathroom. So thank you all for your time and for stopping by and visiting JRC Restoration, Decor and Designs. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.